What if there's a tool out there that will pay you in complete autopilot for copy-pasting some texts in less than 10 minutes? How would that affect your life now, since I know a lot of you guys are looking for something beginner-friendly? I came up with this strategy that requires no selling, no social media followers, no investment, and no website, but it pays really well and it pays automatically. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so this is a tool which you will need to sign up for absolutely free in order to set everything on autopilot so you can collect those earnings automatically. But before we get to this tool, there's something else that you will need to set up. So first of all, you will need to head over to a website called OfferVault. This is a CPA marketplace with thousands of different CPA offers which you can grab and sign up for absolutely free. CPA stands for cost per action, which means that people which you refer through your referral link don't need to buy anything and they don't need to spend any money, but you will still get paid even if they just enter their email address. It's a lot easier to make someone sign up to something for absolutely free by entering their email address than to make them buy something or pay for anything, and that's why this strategy works so well, and that's why this strategy is perfect for complete beginners. Now I'm going to show you how you can grab some of these offers, how you can grab your referral link and set it up on complete autopilot with the second tool which we will be using so you can collect some passive income hands-free. So step number 1 is to go over to offervault.com. Step number 2, go to the search bar and search for the most popular keyword on this website, and that is gift card. So as you can see from the trending searches bar, the most popular keyword is gift card because there are different giveaways to which you can refer people and get paid. So you can refer people to absolutely free giveaways where they can sign up by entering their email address and they have a chance to win a gift card, and you'll get paid just for them signing up for absolutely free. So now when they sign up through your link, they have a chance to win something, and that's why it's going to be 1,000 times easier than if you were selling something. And as you can see, in most of the cases, people will just need to enter their email address and they just need to submit their email address, and in this case, you will get paid with a lot of money. They don't need to buy anything, they don't need to pay for anything, they just need to enter their email address and you will get a different amount of money per email, and you will earn anywhere from $1 to $2 and sometimes even more than that. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So you can go through all these offers and just find the most suitable one for you. For example, we're going to use this one right here where people just need to enter their email address and I will get paid with this amount per email. So just go through those offers and find some giveaways where they're giving away $100 or $500 or $1,000 gift card, and take a look at the payout rate. In most of the cases, it's going to be $2.40, and make sure it includes entering their email because that means they just need to submit their email address. So I will open up this offer, then you can read more about it, and as you can see, this is the payout, which means if I refer more people, that's a lot more money for me. And if I refer even more people, that's another passive income for me, and so on and so forth. And I'm going to show you a traffic source which you can use free of charge where millions of people come every single day. Now on the right hand side, you can even see the preview to where you're actually sending people and what they actually need to complete. In this case, I'm sending them to this landing page where they can sign up for free to hopefully get this incentive, and I will make money from this one. Now for step number 3, grab your CPA link. Now it's always going to be a little bit different because these are all coming from different websites. But basically all you have to do is just click this button that will take you over to this website where you will need to sign up, and it's really easy and fast to sign up. You will need to enter your name with some basic information like where you're coming from, then enter your email address, create a password and your full name, then answer some additional questions and give them your social media accounts. You will also fill out the CAPTCHA and agree to their terms and conditions and privacy policy and just sign up. It's as simple as that, and it will only take less than 2 minutes, and once you sign up, you can grab your special CPA link. So once you grab your special referral link, you will need to grab that and copy that link, and you will need to start driving traffic. Once you grab your referral link, just go over to a website which we will be using as a traffic source to make those commissions in complete autopilot, and the website is called Answers. This is over at answers.com. This website is being visited by 7.8 million people every single month, and that's huge. This has a huge potential, and you can get a lot of signups from Answers.com. Now, Answers.com is a place where millions of people come every single day to ask and answer questions, and a really good thing about Answers.com is that once a question is answered on this website, it's going to start ranking on Google, because if you think about it, when someone wants to find an answer, they would go to Google to search for it, and chances are some of the answers from Answers.com will pop up, so these posts are ranked really high on Google, which means there's a lot of passive income that can be made with this website. Now, first of all, get started with this website. You would need to create a free account, and to do so, just click on login right here, then click on the sign up button, and you can sign up by entering your email address, then create a password. You can read their terms of service and privacy policy by clicking these right here, and if you agree, just tick the box, and then you need to fill out the CAPTCHA and click submit. Once you create an absolutely free account, you can start using the search bar so you can find targeted people that would be interested in signing up to your offers. So you can search for different keywords like how to make money online, how to work from home, how to get free Visa cards, Visa gift card giveaways, and so on. So you're looking for people that are interested in making money online, and you're looking for people that are willing to sign up to your offer in order to get an absolutely free gift card. I mean, who doesn't need some extra cash? And it costs them nothing to sign up, and they will even have a chance to win. So there should be a lot of interest in those offers. So let's say, for example, I'm going to search for how to make money online. That's going to give me millions of results. And as you can see, loads of people are asking this question, which means there's a lot of demand on this website for this particular topic. What you can do is you can simply start replying to those questions, and you can tell them, hey, you can sign up to this absolutely free giveaway and you can have a chance to win a $500 gift card or whatever your offer is, and just give them your CPA link. Not only are you helping them and providing them with value for absolutely free, but you're also creating a passive income stream for yourself, because those replies and those answers will basically stay forever online, and maybe in a couple of months or years, when someone searches for that question in Answers.com, they can come across your reply with your referral link, which they can click, then sign up, and you will make money if the offer is still valid. So you can search for many different keywords like earn money online, how to earn money online, free giveaways, free gift cards, and so on and so forth. Then find people that are interested in that, and you have millions of them on Answers.com. Next thing to do is start replying with your CPA link, and you can collect commissions in complete autopilot and create a decent passive income from this. Obviously, the more people you reply to, the more money you will be able to make. Even if you only set this up once, you still have a good chance of making some passive income with this. It's really not hard if you're not selling anything and you're helping other people for absolutely free. It can take you less than 10 minutes to set this all up, and it can make you some decent amount of passive income. So I hope you did get some value out of this video. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.